Welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and welcome to my Facebook fan page once again. If this is the first time you see my video, please hit the subscribe button on YouTube. On Facebook, just hit on the follow button to follow me for more videos. In today's video, we are checking out how you can unstake ATU on Quantum Wallet. You stake for you to be able to get the airdrop, which is SATU. You stake. So if you see like maybe you don't want to you want to take back your investment. Maybe you want to take back the money you put. You want to take it back and use it for whatever you feel like. Actually, the video I'm about to show, I'm not unstaking my own, but I will show you how you can unstake, so that at least you'll be able to get, if you stake 50, for you to be able to get the airdrop of ATU from the SATU to ATU. Then I'll show you how you can stake back and how you can get your money back. So if this is the first time you are seeing my video, please hit the subscription button on YouTube. Then on Facebook you can follow me for more videos. So let me show you how you can unstake whatever investments you put on ATU or on Quantum Wallet. Whatever investment you put, I know you get double of it if it can be. If you are the type that deposited around that May when it was listed, even June, you get double of the money. So let me show you how you can unstake the token. So let's go. So when you open your Quantum Wallet, so when you open it, then you can see here. When you open your Quantum Wallet, you can see here that you see down here you see wallet C2C ATS support and me. So to unstake whatever you stake on the ATU, to unstake it, then you click on ATS here. Then you can see ATS. Then you see this icon here, this pencil icon by the right here, top right here. You see it. So you click on it. So you can see the one I stake 50.4 ATU. So left with 3 days, 5 hours running. So if I feel like maybe I don't want to, I stake this thing, as in the time I stake it was 3 days, 5 hours, 57 minutes. So if I feel like maybe I don't, I need my money back, so I don't want to stake again, I need my money back, I don't want to get the SATU airdrop again, I'll click on redeem. So once you click on redeem, automatically, as you click on redeem, automatically it will appear to your balance here and add to here. So I don't want to unstake my, like I said earlier, I don't want to redeem, I don't want to do anything with it. So once you see it here on ATU, then you can swap it. I already made video on how you can swap to USDT or TRX funds, how you can swap it. So just check my previous video on that, how you can swap it to USDT or TRX and send it to any of your wallets you desire. So for those people seeing out there that are labeling this thing as scam, I think they don't know what they are saying, because your money here is not lost. And mind you, if you unstake, maybe you redeem whatever you stake, you redeemed it, and it is added to your balance here, you won't be able to get the airdrop of this SATU. You won't be able to get it any longer. You won't be able to get it. So just have it at the back of your mind that as you redeem, as you unstake, you know that yes, you get it here. You know that yes, you won't be able to get the airdrop again any longer unless you restake back, because the SATU itself has its own rules of getting it by converting SATU to ATU. So just know. So if this is the first time you see my video, please subscribe on WhatsApp. Sorry, subscribe on YouTube. Then on Facebook you can follow for more helpful video. And if you find this video helpful, please feel free to share to friends and relatives. Quantum wallet, SATU ATU is not a scam. Don't mind those ones saying it, but do your own research. Do your own research. That is the advice I have. See you on my next video. Thank you.